Hey everyone! So this is my custom PC build. I built it around 2.5 years ago, and it cost me just under 59,000 rupees. Quick disclaimer, it's not a gaming PC, but it's totally upgradable. No GPU now, but for daily use and casual gaming, it works great. And yeah, I'll definitely upgrade it soon. Let's go through the parts I used. Number 1 processor, AMD Ryzen 5 560G, 6 cores and integrated Vega graphics, honestly solid for daily use, even light editing, and some casual gaming without a graphics card. Number 2, motherboard, Gigabyte B550MDS3HAC. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, saves cost and space. Plus, it supports future upgrades like dedicated GPU. Number 3, RAM, Corsair Vengeance, 8 GB by 2 at 3200 MHz, 16 GB total. Dual channel memory makes everything snappy, great for multitasking and smoother performance overall. Number 4, storage, 1 TB HDD plus 250 GB NVMe SSD. SSD for fast boot and apps, HDD for big files and backups. Perfect balance for speed and space. Number 5, power supply, Cooler Master MWE, 550 watts, 80 plus bronze. Quiet, reliable, and handles the power needs perfectly. Number 6 cabinet, MSI MAG Forge 100R. Comes with RGB fans, good airflow, and that clear side panel adds a clean gamer look. Number 7 monitor, Dell S2421HN, 24-inch IPS. Sharp display, thin bezels, good colors. Just right for content, browsing, and some creative work. Number 8, keyboard and mouse, an Esports KM540 combo. Okay, real talk, this combo worked at first, but long-term, not worth it. The mouse started double-clicking and the keyboard lagged. I've switched to a different set now. Wouldn't recommend this combo. And that's it, built for 59,000 rupees back then. No regrets. It's not a gaming rig yet, but we're getting there. Check the description for updated prices and product links.